Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see my friends and family's favorite recipe, and it's really easy, banana bread. I am going to do in two ways, in pressure cooker and in oven. Let's start. Take 3 ripe bananas and add to the bowl. Mash it well. You can use fork or masher like this. Now it's mashed well. To this, add 75 grams of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Just mix this. I am adding 1 egg, beat and add teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give a quick stir. In this stage, you can add some walnut or chocolate chip to this if you want. Now add 1½ cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Mix all this together without any lumps. Take a pan, grease the pan with some butter. And pour the batter in it. Take a pressure cooker, add salt to the bottom of the cooker. Then keep a stand like this. And a small plate which has some gap. And close the lid with gasket. Don't put the pressure weight or whistle. Heat this in medium flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and place the cake pan. Now close the lid with gasket. Don't put the pressure weight and bake for 50 to 55 minutes. Time varies. If the pan is wider, it will cook faster. Open the lid. Insert a toothpick and check if it is done. Now it's done. I made other batch for oven. Here I take a loaf pan. Same way, grease the pan with some butter and add the batter. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread in the middle rack for 55 to 60 minutes. Same way, insert a toothpick and check if it is done. It looks so soft and delicious. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.